What's up everybody, welcome back to our channel, Kono Pro. Check out this door. What do you see that's wrong with this door? This is a garage entry door to a detached garage. And what can you see that's wrong with it? Right off the bat, I can tell there's MDF casing around the door, which is an interior product, shouldn't be used exterior. Also, I'm noticing MDF stops here, and that's all basically letting me know that this is probably an interior door. And then when I go, yeah, definitely an interior door, not even designed for exterior use. Doesn't even have a proper threshold. It looks like it did have a door sweep at one point, and they put some aftermarket threshold down there, right there, which does help, but it needs a proper threshold. It needs to be an exterior door that's solid, insulated, fire rated, and a better product. And then we're gonna have to put some proper casing around here. Okay, so the clients would like to open up the door a little bit, so we're gonna take out this old interior door and we're gonna pop in a new door. This is a 30, we're gonna go with a 32. It's gonna make the stucco a little bit, we're gonna have to cut a little bit, but we're gonna put our brick molding all along the edge. You can go back on one of my existing videos, how to install a front door, entry front door for your house, and you can see how I put in that brick molding. But I just want to show you real quick on what not to do. If you're a DIYer and you want to do a project like this, and you have to replace your garage door or something, and you're going to sell the house or something like that, and you want to just replace the door, then when you go to Home Depot and you see this door, you're like, oh, 35, 45, 50 bucks for the pre-hung interior door versus an exterior door that's more like 250 to 300 bucks, depending on the size and the design. So a lot of times people will say, oh, what's the difference between these doors? They don't really understand that it's an interior door versus an exterior door. And an interior door is not designed to take the kind of weather that it gets exposed to when it's exterior. An exterior door is designed to take that kind of weather. But you see, look, over the years, they've gone through and someone's put nails in, and they didn't even use galvanized nails, and then those started rusting too. I mean, this thing just from the beginning was bad. But this is what not to do when installing an entry door to your house. You can see really bad right here how it gets really fat and thick right there. Right there. Probably people have been hosing and water's been touching there, and it's just all swollen. That's what MDF does. I don't even like using MDF inside of houses, because if there's a flood inside your house, instantly this is what happens. If you have pine or finger jointed, oak or finger jointed pine that's pre-primed on both sides, it'll withstand a lot more water. If water, it comes in contact with water, than this MDF will. So I never really recommend using MDF, but if you do, it has to be interior. Okay, so remember, all you DIYers out there, this is not how you install a door. You don't put an interior door as an exterior door to save a few bucks. Or just not knowing, that's what you shouldn't do. So now, hopefully watching this video, you should know. All right, everybody, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a comment, a like. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Kono Pro out. Peace. And there it is, brand new door. We got a fiberglass entry door, 32 inch by 80 inch. We have new brick molding. It's all clean. We got our nice threshold there. We patched the stucco on the bottom, just needs a little touch-up paint, and paint around that casing and it's good to go. That's how it's supposed to look, everybody.